Mr. Donut's Awesome Math Network. It's the Awesome Math Network. Yeah. Math Network.
Oh, hello, the big action here. Today, I'll tell you about the volume. Now, what is volume, you say? Well, the big action, he's gonna tell you. Volume is the amount of 3D space something takes up. For example, the volume of the big action is forever. But that's a lot. That's crazy. Can't calculate. But let's say you have a cylinder like a can. Let's say you have a can and the volume, you want to determine it. First of all, the volume has a formula, pal. We have on the bottom of the cylinder what looks to be a circle. Oh. And here you have a half line. We call this line the radius. Why is that important, the big action? I'll tell you, pal. Wait. The formula for volume of a cylinder is pi times the radius to the second power. That's a square, baby. Times the height. So now we take a formula and we look at the cylinder and say, cylinder, what measurements you have? Oh, and it tells us. So we're going to rewrite it. We're going to say the pi, for this time, we're going to leave pi like it is. And then I'm going to use the parentheses, organize the work for the multiply. I got the 7 meters to the second power times the 10 meter. Okay, so far so good. Now I ask you out there, what's the 7 times 7? I'll wait. If you say 49, you're the real Mr. Smart. And then we go, rewrite again. It don't hurt to rewrite. You got time, pa. Where you going? You go the pi, 7 times 7, the 49 meter square. Don't forget. 49 meter square times 10 meter. We still not done, pa. Never done. We're going to still leave pi as the pi symbol. Now we do the 49 meter square times the 10 meter, and we get 490 meters to the third power. Now, if you want to write that the real deal algebra, okay, you want to put the pi over here. So we're going to rewrite this. Okay, I use my magic eraser. I hope you're using a pencil out there, pa. We have the 490 90 pi meters to the third power. That's nice. But surprise, wait, there's a little bit more. Un chin. Let's say, the question say, to use pi with 3.14. Now remember, pi is not 3.14. It's the estimation. So what we're going to do is, just to be on the super duper safe side, we are going to multiply the 490 times the 3.14. And if we did that, 490, 3.14 meters to the third power, we get a super final answer of about 1,538.6 meters to the third power. Now I know what you're saying. The big action. You're so smart. I know, but you will be the smart too. Let's take a big step back because this could look like a lot of really complications. It's not, pa. You have a cylinder. You have a formula. All of these, they're letters, pa. But we know. We know the volume, not yet. We know the radius is the 7 meter. And we know the height is the 10 meter. And for the most part, in fact, all this time, we multiply in this formula. That's all we did, pa. That's all we did. And you can do it too. So remember, the volume, the amount of the 3D space something takes up. Lots of different shapes like this. You got a cube. You have a box. But that's kind of like a cube. You have a cone. You have a spear. Okay? And a lot of different things with the volume that we're going to work on because we have the time. But for now, focus on this. And I hope that you understand a little bit more. I know they don't know, but now you don't know a little bit less.
Mr. Donut's Awesome Math Network. It's the Awesome Math Network. Yeah. Math Network.